Hi guys. I'm currently underneath the Probeatz.
Okay, so now that I'm not taking a picture, we are going to the beach. If you don't remember me, I'm Christina's roommate, Alyssa. So, Christina's driving, so safety first. In the back, we got the gang.
Hi.
And behind us, as we're pulling in to the Starbucks.
Ooh, you're back parking.
Catch us with that drinks later.
Very much excited. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to the beach. I'm so excited. I'm here with my roommates. We are at a Starbucks. I actually don't even drink coffee. I just kind of drink tea. We're just not coffee drinkers. But yeah, so we're gonna get our coffee and then we're gonna head out. We're going to Long Beach. Christina, call life side. Alright, so we have our Starbucks. Actually, me and Jess only have the Starbucks. And now we're gonna head out to Long Beach. Let's go.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight.
Alright guys, we are set up underneath our shade, our lovely shade that Mackenzie has provided for us. And we're just chilling. It's kind of hot, honestly.
Sorry. It's not that hot. The sand's hot.
Yeah, the sand is really hot. I thought it was gonna be wet back there because it was, you know, wet, but it was like super hot. So we're just chilling, and then we're gonna take some pictures because I know I want some pictures, and we're just gonna be chilling.
Shot you see on TV, there's like this stretch of beach right here. It's hot.
Really?
It just looks so familiar. Like, yes, I see like this on TV.
The sand is so hot. Hot, hot, hot.
There we go.
Okay, that's better. See if it's cold. I'm actually kind of nervous. I hate this part. Whew! That wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. I'm gonna like drop this in the ocean. That's cool. Catch us at the beach! Okay, so I just spotted those buoys. Does anyone else not like buoys?
I think a fall angel just walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by.
So we didn't go that far. We kind of just stayed in like the parking lot area, and we found like this cool little like, I don't know, like port. I don't know. We're gonna try to find food. There's like a bunch of different shops here. It looks pretty cute. Alright guys, so we just, ooh, I don't even know if that's better. Yeah, so we just got done eating. I didn't really want to record it, obviously, because, I don't know, that'd be weird. Going back to the chocolate shop so that Mackenzie can get her chocolate. And then we are going to head back home. It is, what time is it? 4:02. It is 4:02, and we're expecting to hit a lot of traffic on the way home.
I think a fall angel just walked by. There goes a sight from my soul.
Alright guys, so we are now in Target. We figured we would go pick up a couple things while we were still out, and we're all together. Like, this is our first Target run together as all 5 of us. We are looking for a beanbag chair because right now we have a sofa.
I just realized your shirt's inside out.
Is it? Sad day.
I just realized. Leave that in.
Yeah, so we have a sofa. It fits. It could fit like all 5 of us, but like we want like another space, so we're gonna get a beanbag chair, hopefully, some kind of like little chair. And then we're also looking for socks because we have to get like specified socks. Ooh, that would be cute. Oh, that'd be cute too. Ew, that's not as soft as I thought it would be either. I'll look at it. This is like legit my size.
You might have to sleep.
I like this one. Why?
Those work.
How do I shift this?
Okay, so push it down.
Maybe we just leave it right there.
That was like that when we came here. That's how we found it.
Okay, let's go. Oh. Okay.
I think so. I think they're just...
Gotta feel it.
It's not loungy, it's like I'm supposed to be sitting like this.
Yeah, and then go feel that one. Wait, why'd you put it away? She's gonna feel it. Yo, girl about to spend $35 on a what is it called?
Papa's chair?
Papa's chair. Oh yeah, plus socks. That's cool. We're living life. It's good. Hi guys. I'm currently underneath a Papasan. We were having, oh gosh, I was having a great day. You know, it was all chill and fine. We bought a $35 Papasan. And I stepped in gum, like right underneath my car, and it was like the saddest thing. Like, and it was like fresh gum, and then it got on my toe, and then so I had to like take my shoe off and drive home with my toe. I got it. I had to drive home with gum on my toe because I'm wearing sandals, and it got on my toe, and my toe was sticking to the gas pedal and the brake pedal. We made it, obviously. You have to wait.
I did!
You have to wait till it goes click. There you go. Go, grab it!
I did wait.
Sad day. Let's see how many people we ran into.
You do look like a turtle.
Hmm?
You do look like a turtle.
I know, I feel like a turtle. Wow, I feel
like at 1 bar of energy in the elevator.
Okay, hold on.
Feel better.
I have no idea what time it is. We're walking back to our room right now. We took beach stuff from the office and they closed at 4 and it's not 4 anymore. And they're closed, so that's okay. They're closed all weekend. We'll just have extra chairs all weekend. Earlier, right now we're just kind of hanging out. It's 8:52. We just got done with a movie. To all the boys I love. To all the boys, what?
I've loved.
To all the boys I've loved.
To all the boys I've loved before.
To all the boys I've loved before with the very cute Noah Centino. No, is it Centino?
I don't even know. The dude from the Fosters.
The guy from the Fosters that replaced Jake T. Austin, even though Jake T. Austin's pretty cute too. No, you don't think so? He's pretty cute. And then I don't know the other guy's name, but we're just watching that. And now we're watching The Kissing Booth because why not?
Might not be this one.
What is it?
It's a neck one.
Oh, neck. I guess we could do our necks.
I have a double chin. Well, wait, do we need something? Oh, you already started.
Never heard of a neck mask. It's Asian. It's Korean. Yeah, my roommate was interesting. Shout out to Candy. That's her American name. I don't know her actual name.
Oh, it smells weird. I don't like the smell and I don't like the thing in my mouth, so like...
Don't put it that high.
No, I mean a cough drop.
Oh.
Yeah.
I was like, why are you putting it in your mouth? You're not supposed to do that. You can spit it out if you don't like it.
No, I need it. Like, it's cool. I'm not coughing, but the smell and then the taste in my mouth is like...
It doesn't hurt.
It's
just
burning a little.
Not like a pain burn, but it's like...